All right, so what's going on, everybody? So what I'm going to be talking about right now is going to be talking about like setting up your chart like the right way, and making sure that it's clean and not a lot of fluff and stuff like that. Now, the way that I personally trade is not really with a lot of indicators or none at all actually, and I trade with a clean chart. So me personally, I do not analyze or break down using MetaTrader 4 on the laptop. I'll probably enter in my trades using that, but I'm not going to personally chart up on MetaTrader 4. In my opinion, it wasn't really designed for that. So what I use is TradingView.com. Now, if you're not familiar with TradingView.com, if you are a free user, you can use it. Although there's some pop-ups that are going to keep on coming up on your actual page, and then also, and it won't allow you to continue. You like have to get out of the website and come back in. That could be kind of like annoying. Also, if you have some breakdowns on there, like if you're charting up and you get out and come back in, probably it's not going to be there anymore. Also, you can't save your charts and stuff like that. So if you upgrade and you actually, it's just like $10 for it or something like that, then it'll allow you to save it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to where it says chart. If anything, I probably did that too quickly. Right, it's tradingview.com. This stuff will come up and stuff like that. So you're going to click right here so where it says chart, and as you can see, since I'm a paid user, I can be able to save charts and stuff like that, and you may not be able to. All right, so you go to where it says chart, and then it'll most likely come up with like Apple at the top. Right, that's probably what you're going to come up with, and it's probably not going to look like this. So what you're going to want to do is, let me just go to what you're going to want to do is sometimes your screen may have something to the right, and something at the bottom. If anything, just push those to the side. You're going to want to have everything clean. Okay, and then from there, go to this like right click, and then you're going to go to where it says remove, and then all indicators and drawing tools. Just make sure everything is completely blank. Right, make it completely blank and look like something like this. All right. So click where it has this gear looking thing for settings. All right. And then we're going to literally just copy my screen into your screen so that everything can be nice and fluid. Okay. So go to where it says candles, right? And we're going to change this color to this specific. Now, why do we use this specific, candle set as opposed to the green and red or just anything else, right? So as far as green and red, now green, what does green pop up in our minds to be? Good or go, right? Automatically, right? What is red? Stop, danger, So I wouldn't want that type of influence when I'm trading in any type of way. I would want, something to have no influence. So we're going to use this specific blue, right? And then this white. Okay. At any point in time, you can just pause and just get these things done. All right. This is black for the borders, black for the borders of the candles. All right. And then from there, wick is going to be that specific gray. That specific gray. Make sure this is unchecked. Check, 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 uncheck. If this doesn't show up like this, this is okay. And then from there, scale right. Yeah, right. And then scales. Right, check, uncheck, 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 uncheck. 5, 5, 10. Price bar ratio, don't worry about that. That's going to change over and over and over. Just skip this. Do not write a comment about price bar ratio. Skip it. All right, just change. Just skip it. All right. So, uncheck, check, 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 uncheck, 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 check. And being the fact that I'm in GU, I'm going to use this specific decimal place, all right? And then background. Make sure this background is the specific color, right? Right next to the white, okay? If you don't have that, it's gonna look weird, all right? And make sure this is white. If you don't have that, it's definitely gonna look weird. Black, black for the watermark, just make it all the way to the right over here so you don't see it. Crosshair is this specific gray with that, right? Small, and then visible mouse over, everything checked. Time zones, right? The time zone is at Athens +3. For me, in my time zone, Eastern time zone, because on my MetaTrader 4 on my phone, my laptop and my phone now are congruent with each other, which is great. Uncheck, 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 uncheck. Trading. Check, 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 uncheck, 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 check, uncheck. This, and then events. Check. Uncheck, check, 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 uncheck. I just don't deal with moves on TradingView or anything like that. Uncheck, uncheck, check, check, and just make sure your screen looks like this, right? Now, again, if you are not a member with TradingView, most likely this won't save, right? So you can be able to just go to right here, and just click Start Now for the Pro Plus. Now there's many different things. Now, as far as mine, I think I'm a Pro Plus because I could be able to have 4 layouts, right? As you can see, I can be able to load, and I have many layouts. So I'm probably more. I forgot. Right, and then there's just like a whole bunch of different things that you can be able to do, right? Which is really, really cool. This customer support, blah, blah, blah. And also, what's really, really cool is the fact that you can be able to get text notifications when you're in premium as well, which is dope. So like when there's when you have alerts like I have here, as opposed to just emailing, which is still fine, right? They can text you when something happens, which is super cool, right? And then just a whole bunch of other stuff. So if anything, just go ahead and check it out, and you'll be able to see. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a link at the bottom that's going to be able to, you can literally just click on that. It'll send you directly to TradingView, and then from there, you can be able to actually, if anything, sometimes they'll give you discounts and stuff like that when you click on the link below. So if you have any questions or comments, if anything, leave them down here if they helped you at all. Share this with a friend that's looking to get into the charts as soon as possible and wants to be able to really, do this as a professional and become an FX pro now. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let's get it.